700 lumens, surprisingly bright. Each 12V LED light bar interior provides 700LM6500K white light, which is suitable for your private space. Good for reading, cooking, preparing, cleaning, etc. Cozy and bright. Detailed jobs can be done. Easy to install. Decorate. Ultra slim size, 13.7 by 0.75 0.75, can be attached anywhere and unnoticed. Transparent rod cover design makes 12 volts LED strip light like part of the decoration in the place you stay. Plus saving your limited space. Energy saving, long lasting. Other than 110 volts high voltage light only required 3W and 12 volts to turn on. The aluminum alloy base and low voltage chips build an energy saving system. Each LED strip could last 30,000 hours. On-off switch allows it simple to control, works quite well, and safely, especially using in cars, trailers, RVs, van, boats, truck, lorry, caravan, motorhome, camper, cabin, garage, showcase, cabinet. Multi-installation methods. Tapping screw, not included. Strong adhesive tape, screw plus magnetic can be your options based on different situations. Light up your space in seconds. The red wire from the light switch is the positive and the black is the ground negative pole. Package included: 4x12V LED interior light bar, 8x magnetic, 8x screw, 8x metal bracket, 8x strong adhesive tape. Linkstyle provides 30 days money refund warranty and 2 years warranty for replacement and maintenance. Top reviews from the United States. How can you beat the price? These lights did exactly what I needed them to do. Shine the inside of my 7x16 enclosed trailer. I tied in the lights with one of the existing interior lights that were already inside of the trailer. The red wire from the light switch is the positive and the black is the ground. I grounded them right to the crossmembers for the roof with self-tapping screws, so that also means I had to add eyelet connectors to the end of the wiring. No big deal. All in all, these lights are pretty dang bright for the money and you can't go wrong. I will update down the road, but I don't see why they wouldn't hold up since they aren't used daily. Probably once a month to haul a few ATVs around to camp.